Hi everybody, my name is Jordan. Thanks for joining me today for a 10-minute stretching routine. This routine is going to be seated, so this is great for seniors, beginners, people who have trouble getting up and down off the ground. Everything will be done seated in your chair, taking you through a full body stretch. So the first thing I'm going to have you start with, you want to come all the way towards the edge of your chair. You want to keep your back nice and flat. Bring those legs out in front of you a little bit. We're just going to kind of hinge and reach forward here, nice and easy, keeping your back straight and neutral. So only going down as far as your body will allow you to, just kind of warming up here before we do any holding on the stretches. Good. Do a couple more. Let's reach down here 2 more times. All right, sitting up nice and tall. I'll have you take those hands behind your head. Keep that chest up, and you're just going to do a nice little easy rotation side to side. Okay, we'll go 2 more. All right, now arms just come right along down by your sides. And you're just going to kind of do a nice easy dip. Reach down to the side, back to the center. All right, perfect. And now, starting with whatever leg you want, I'm just going to have you go ahead, point, and flex the toe. Point, and flex. And we're going to switch that over now to the other side. Same thing, point, and flex. All right, now next up, take one leg straight out in front of you. You want to take and point the toes up towards the ceiling. Keep your back nice and flat, and you're going to hinge forward. And you should feel this stretch right along the back side of your leg into the hamstring, and I want you to just hold this. We're going to hold all of our stretches for right around 30 seconds each. We're going to take this same leg now. We're going to cross it up and over the top of your other leg, if you're able to. We're going to do a seated figure 4. So if you want to deepen this stretch at all, you can always put a little bit of pressure on the inside of this knee. And you should be feeling this one in those hips, in your glute muscle. Still continuing to sit up nice and tall. We're going to still stay on this same side, and I want you to try to hug that knee into your chest, pull it up. Again, sitting up nice and tall here. While you're holding this stretch, I want you to just do some nice easy circles with that ankle. Switch it the other direction. All right, we're going to go ahead and release that leg back down to the ground. Now we're going to go hamstring stretch. So take that other leg straight out, toes up towards the ceiling, hinging forward until you feel that stretch right across the back side of your leg. Good. All right, sit up nice and tall. Cross that ankle up and over. We'll go into that seated figure 4 next. Go ahead and pull that knee into your chest, holding that stretch. Circle that ankle around. Good. Circle it the other direction. And we'll go ahead and release that foot down to the ground. All right, taking one arm right out in front of the chest, and we're going to hold that, getting a nice stretch here in the shoulder. We're going to take this same arm now, bring it behind your head, bend it, and reach for that elbow. Okay, releasing that, we'll switch and take that other arm across the front of your chest. You're going to reach that same arm behind your head. Grab that elbow. Good. All right, go ahead and release that. Now, if you can, I want you to try to reach your hands together behind your back and think about squeezing the shoulder blades. If you can't actually reach the hands together, just reaching back behind you is fine. You want to think of a nice chest opener here. Now, as we are doing this one, I'm going to have you add on and just tip your head off to the side. We'll get a little neck stretch done with this one as well. All right, let's go other side. Good. All right, we're going to go ahead, release that. We're going to take a deep breath in together, reaching both arms up over your head. Good. As you exhale, grab a hold of your wrist and then just do a nice, easy side bend. And deep breath in. Exhale, switch to that other side. Deep breath in, reach up. Exhale, release. Again, inhale, reach up. Nice and tall, full body stretch. Elongate that spine. Exhale, release. One more time here together. Deep breath in, reach up. Full body stretch. And exhale, release it. All right, thanks for joining me today, everybody. Have a great rest of your day.